Hello everyone. Today's topic is cucumber mosaic disease. It is also a viral disease, and this virus attack many of the cucurbits, and one of these is cucumber. This cucumber mosaic virus CMV is a plant pathogenic virus and which belong to the family Bromoviridae. It is the type member of the plant virus, belong to genus Cucumovirus. This virus has a worldwide distribution and a very wide host range. It has a reputation of having the widest host range of any known plant virus, and it can be transmitted from plant to plant both mechanically by sap एंड बाय एफिड्स इन स्टाइल बॉर्न फैशन. तो इस जो ये वायरस है वो मैकेनिकली भी ट्रांसफ़र हो सकता है, सैप ट्रांसमिशन भी होता है और एफिड्स के द्वारा भी इसका ट्रांसमिशन एक प्लांट से दूसरे प्लांट के अंदर होता है. इट कैन ऑल्सो बी ट्रांसमिटेड इन सीड एंड बाय द पैरासिटिक वीड्स कस्कुटा स्पीसीज. जो पैरासाइट है कस्कुटा रोडर प्लांट जिसको कहते हैं, इसके थ्रू भी इसका ट्रांसमिशन होता है. दिस डिजीज इज नोन टू अकर वर्ल्ड वाइड in both temperate and tropical regions. In India, mosaic disease are common in almost all cucurbit vegetable and it causes heavy losses. The virus was first found in cucurbits, Cucumis sativus, showing mosaic symptoms, and since then it is called as cucumber mosaic virus. Other than cucumber green mottle mosaic virus, watermelon mosaic virus and pumpkin yellow vein mosaic virus are also common on certain cucurbits and causes significant losses. Some of these viruses attack a large number of other host plant including tomato, chili, eggplant, potato, spinach, cowpea and carrot. The cucumber mosaic virus has a wide range of hosts. It attacks approximately 1200 species of 100 families and causes significant losses in many vegetable and horticulture crops. What are the symptoms of this viral disease? The nature of symptoms depend on the host and the virus associated with the disease. If infection is early, the symptoms are aggressive and losses high. यदि अर्ली स्टेज के अंदर ही इन्फेक्शन हो जाता है तो सिम्टम्स बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं, अग्रेसिव होते हैं और उसकी वजह से जो ईल्ड है वो काफ़ी कम हो जाती है क्योंकि लॉस बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है. सिम्टम्स अकर व्हेन द प्लांट्स आर अबाउट 6 weeks ओल्ड एंड ग्रोइंग विगरसली. सीडलिंग्स आर सेल्डम अटैक्ड. 4 to 5 days आफ्टर इन्फेक्शन द यंग लीव्स बिकम mottled, distorted, wrinkled and the edges begin to curl downward, forming the rosette-like clump near the ground. It's called draft appearance. In older plant, the symptoms appear first on young upper leaves. There are alternate green and yellow patches on the lamina. Here you can see the symptoms on the fruit and leaves where the yellow and green patches on the leaves and fruit also. Older leaves develop chlorotic and then necrotic area along the margins which spread laterally over the entire leaf. Fruits develop pale green or white areas intermingled with green bumpy areas. This is often called white pickle. Infected fruits are oddly shaped and appear grey and much smaller in size than the normal fruits. They often have bitter taste and after picking become soft and spongy. In this diagram, in this figure, you can see the symptoms on both leaf and fruit. And in this slide, we can compare the healthy and infected fruit. Healthy fruit is a fresh green without any symptoms, while the infected fruit have wrinkled skin, size is very small, it is a soft. Otherwise healthy fruit, the skin is tight. The infected अफेक्टेड जो फ्रूट है उसकी वजह से उसकी ईल्ड भी कम हो जाती है। आप देख सकते हैं इसमें इसका साइज़ भी काफ़ी छोटा हो रहा है, इसकी जो स्किन है वो रिंकल्ड हो रही है। और हेल्दी फ्रूट के अंदर जो फ्रूट्स है बिल्कुल हेल्दी दिखाई दे रहा है विदाउट एनी सिम्टम्स। द कॉजल ऑर्गेनिज्म is cucumovirus and species is cucumber mosaic virus. It is a linear positive single stranded RNA virus. The cucumber mosaic virus genome consists of 3 viral strand messenger sense RNA molecule designated as RNA1, RNA2 and RNA3. Each RNA is enclosed with a protective protein coat, with each being a distinct single spherical shaped particle. The CMV particle is 20 to 30 nm in diameter. After that, we can see the classification of this virus. This is belong to the higher rank of virus classification, which is Ribovira. Kingdom is Orthonaviri, phylum is Cretinoviricotta, class Eleusiviricitis, order is Martelliviriales and family is Bromoviridae. Genus is Cucumovirus and species is Cucumber mosaic virus. The disease cycle, it is a perennial, biennial, annual weed harbors, CMV in roots, tubers and underground parts. These are important source of virus transmission. The virus is also transmitted from infected plant to healthy plants by aphids, by mechanical method, by sap, seeds, clothes and hand of the workers. It enters the host cell and replicates in the cytoplasm. The movement through cell to cell occur by plasmodesmata or phloem. This cucumber mosaic virus is mainly transmitted by more than 60 species of aphids, which is Apis gossypi, by seeds and by dodder, which is Cuscuta. Then it can also be mechanically spread by human in some cases. The mechanically spreading of this virus is not as common as in the case of other viruses such as tobacco mosaic virus, because this cucumber mosaic virus is not a very stable virus. When this virus is transmitted by aphids, this virus has an acquisition period of 5 to 10 seconds and an inoculation period of about a minute. After 2 minutes, the probability of inoculation largely decreases and within 2 hours it is practically impossible to transmit it. तो देख सकते हैं इसका जो ट्रांसमिशन है वो कितना फास्ट होता है कि कुछ 5 to 10 सेकेंड्स तक ही सर्वाइव करता है और जो उसका इनोकुलेशन पीरियड है वो कुछ मिनट्स का होता है, ठीक है। और जैसे ही टाइम 2 मिनट से ज़्यादा का समय हो जाता है, जो उसका इनोकुलेशन है वो कम होता जाता है और विदिन 2 hours इट इज़ impossible to transmit from other plant. Moreover, cucumber mosaic virus can overwinter in perennial plant and weeds, as it can survive the winter in the roots of the plant and move to the aerial parts in spring, where it can be transmitted by aphids to the other plants. विंटर्स के अंदर क्या है, वीड्स के अंदर सर्वाइव कर जाता है, रूट्स प्लांट्स की रूट्स के अंदर सर्वाइव करता है और स्प्रिंग के अंदर ये फिर एरियल पार्ट्स के अंदर सर्वाइव करता है, वहाँ से ये ट्रांसमिट होता है एफिड के थ्रू दूसरे प्लांट्स के अंदर. एंड लास्टली, हाउ कैन वी कंट्रोल दिस डिजीज? बाय द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ जेनेटिक रेजिस्टेंस इन क्यूकम्बर स्पीसीज, इरेडिकेट ऑफ इन्फेक्टेड प्लांट एंड पेरिनियल वीड्स. जो वीड्स हैं पेरिनियल जिनके द्वारा ट्रांसमिशन होता है उसको हम हटा सकते हैं, रिमूव कर सकते हैं. यूजिंग ट्रैप क्रॉप मेथड, ग्रोइंग रेजिस्टेंट वेराइटी अराउंड द perimeter of the field and to place the susceptible plants in the middle. After that, we can use the insecticide to control aphid population such as thiodent 0.1% or metacistrox 0.1% to suppress insect vector. And other very common method, which is crop rotation, we can rotate the crop to control this disease. destruction of disease host including weeds and use of seeds from virus free plant। जो भी हम सीड्स यूज करें हैं उस क्रॉप को ग्रो करने के लिए वो वायरस फ्री होने चाहिए। थैंक यू।